life cycle. This is what you are asking. This is what you need to search. This is what it will come. And incident management is a part of ITIL, right? So try to get the documentation of ITIL. So see, this is also okay, but I don't know what it captures. It captures with respect to ServiceNow, okay? But most relevant is ITIL related, okay? So also type ITIL. And our product document is telling something. Let's also see if it gives us nice documentation. Okay, 5 steps of incident management. This is okay, and keep this one. Mm, 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 Okay, let's. This is the good one, generic, because we should not confuse. So what it is saying? Incident management life cycle. Okay, new, progress, closed, hold, and here everything is there. Very good, very good. Okay, this is not the one we are looking for. And here, hmm. Okay, very good. This is a perfect one, I can say. Right. So see, maybe not with respect to ServiceNow, we want to see the incident management in a different way. What exactly the incident management as per ITIL process, okay, ITSM process and their standard definitions. So see from here, see from wiki, whatever it is, okay, it have some steps. Where is this? These are many. No, not this one. Very good. These and all not required this much, but simple steps are there. Okay. First, let's write it in our own way. It covers also the same thing, right? Incident. Okay. First, what is the definition of incident, ma? What is the definition of incident? In order to raise any issue-based ticket, we used incident. Correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So who will get the issues? Everyone will get the issues. What kind of issues? Any kind of issues. Software issue, hardware issue, network issue, physical issue, HR issue, finance issue. An issue is an issue. Okay. To record an issue, okay, we have incident management. First thing, correct? Is that definition clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Now, once it is clear, what are the sources? Where are the, okay, let's say source in the sense, not like to get it, but what are the options we have to create an incident in system, ServiceNow system? How many ways a user can create an incident? Okay, he can directly go to incident,
From system.
yeah, he can directly go to incident
Yeah,
management
record
application,
producer.
okay, or he can open incident from, okay, service portal, that is record producer, self-service, we can say, okay, then he will call to some customer care kind of service desk, we call it as per IT, okay, call to service desk to describe the issue. Three, are these three correct?
Yes.
Okay, now any other options, any other sources?
Email.
Email, okay, I have service no email, I can send it on reply, okay, it will create an incident, so via email, okay, inbound email action. Okay, next, that's it, huh? What else? Okay, nowadays, okay, every tool is coming up with chatbot.
Chatbot. Yeah.
Okay, chatbot in the sense something like this. You see like this. Okay, maybe if you connect to your banking application or something, you see something like this. Okay, it will be called as Eva. Okay, or iBot something something, and you launch it. You write something. I have an issue with my pen drive. Then on reply, it will say incident is created. Here, ST person is getting replaced, or we are giving a lighter way of interface to the end user so that they will maximum use it. Okay, maybe I can say HDFC. Yeah? HDFC main page have that. I see, I see. Few will come when you log in. Few will come before you log in. PayPal have it. Yeah, I have. I know PayPal have it. You need to understand the It is just to understand the trend, ma. Okay, the trend of usaging the tools are getting changed or improving. See here, ask IPAL. Okay, ask IPAL. These are all catalog items or some basic things. Okay, now I want to request something. Request new laptop. I just click it. I will get two variables and then I will update it and then submit it. Return is an RATM error task. Or report an issue is there. Just click it. Only one line. Okay, I have issue with my pen drive. Then return incident. Okay, so this is how system is trending nowadays. Not even type. Okay, bot is coming in a way like it will translate your vocal. Okay, to a request. Right, vocal to request. How it is, ma? What is the concept we use it? AI, right? Artificial intelligence. So the tools are becoming very advanced to make sure that it gives more convenient to the users. Can we say like this? See,
Yes.
PayPal will come when you log in it. Maybe HDFC. See this one. Why this logo is coming? Because here, ask Eva. Okay, ask iPal. Correct. So whatever you take it, this is the way also. Yes, earlier to receive the input, okay, someone are there. Now to receive the input, bot is there. Bot is a kind of a robot where it takes your things and return back with something. So chatbot are advanced AI concepts. Okay, in ServiceNow also we have it, ma. Don't take ServiceNow in a lighter. It's very advanced tool. Okay. Now what else? Chatbot you can do via email. You can do. You can call to service desk. They will create an incident. You can directly go to portal and then raise an incident and then
Schedule jobs.
no schedule jobs is also internal. Schedule jobs to create an incident. If you got an issue, okay, an issue will be converted into incident. Then why schedule job came into picture, ma? Maybe
Okay.
no.
If any problem is okay.
No.
Okay. Okay, sir.
See from like interface point of view, ma. Like you have an issue, how you raise it. That's it. Okay, either one of these five types you will select it. Correct? Okay. So chatbot, advanced AI concepts via email. Okay, call to service desk. Okay, and go to self service and then raise it by yourself or directly open the incident application and then raise it. Right? First part. Clear? Okay. Now,
Yes.
once the incident is getting created, what are the steps it will go? Okay. So here they written something like this. Okay. Logging, identification, logging, categorization, prioritization, response. Okay. See the other way. This is nothing more. Okay. So let's say one of you called me, right? You called me. I am SKFacts. Okay. Service desk person. Service desk. Okay. So you called me and you are my employee. Says I have an issue with my CSA voucher. Okay. Even though I didn't do, it is expired. So it's an issue, right? So see from this way, identification. Identify what is the issue. Okay. So you may tell, you may come. Okay, let's say the other way. So you just come here and then you open the portal. There you have a record producer. In the record producer, you said CSA issue. You just written it. Like in the chatbot, you written like this, and it is converted it into incident. Correct. Now, if I take it as a group assignment group or a service desk person, how can I understand this particular short description and issue? Is that clear? Everyone, is that clear?
Yes.
CSA
Yes.
issue is fine. CSA issue,
Yes,
what
sir.
issue? No issue, right? It is not clear. Correct? It is a voucher issue. It is a exam issue. It is a 15 hours course issue. Is that something else? It is not clear. Correct? So once a ticket is created, okay, service desk people will try to get maximum details of it by connecting to the user or asking their screen share to show the error or images, okay, everything, and then they get exactly what is the issue, identification, okay, and try to keep everything related to issue in the incident in the form of notes, in the form of attachment, in the form of something. So you know, right, how to open an incident and then attach something and write notes in the incident?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes.
Yes, no? Please confirm it, ma?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, okay.
Yes, sir.
So, yes, we got the issue, what exactly it is. Okay, we find it out. Maybe second step, the logging, okay, instant logging means they generated. So see here, this is old traditional steps. Nowadays, as advancing it, okay, this may be first, this may be second. Don't think like, okay, you are saying, sir, it's already created. Now you are identifying. Okay, this is maybe when you call to service desk, they will ask you every detail and then identify and then create it. But you use chatbot, you created it and it is assigned to one group. Then it is like this. We need to identify exactly issue. So these steps will come here and there based on the data which is available in the incident or how it got created. Okay, now it is created. Okay, so now next one is categorization. How you do categorization? Why we need to do categorization, or in incident form, what is category?
Departments like software, hardware,
Yeah, so
HR.
departments, hardware, software, HR. So to to make it high level or high level division, okay, or maybe how to divide on a high level, okay, you need to categorize this particular incident. Says, okay, it is related to software, it is related to the service offering, it is related to the configuration item, this is related to the service. Okay, today you have 100 incidents created and you need to categorize it in a way that maybe after 1 year, if you see, okay, how many are created with the category software and configuration item something ABC. Okay, so for this particular configuration item, maybe say Adobe, do we have something Adobe Acrobat related issues, how many came to the for the entire 1 year, how many created for Adobe Acrobat issues. So categorization is one of the important for reporting and for their track also. Okay, these kind of issues will go to this group. Service desk will not handle every incident, correct? So categorization, yes. Then prioritization. For me, everything is urgent. For the process, it may be urgent, it may be not urgent. So initially it came like this. Okay. So and then service desk people will say, okay, this is one person impact and it is also normal application. It's not a server down or something. So it could be low. They will be having some guidelines. So they will change the prioritization. Okay. Then assignment and resolution. Okay, response. So here assignment will come and resolution will come. Okay, so here they will assign to one ticket, one group, where the group members will take it. Okay, and then if the issue is very descriptive, they will resolve it. If it is not, then they will connect back to the caller, ask more details, and then try to close it. If they cannot close it, then it will move to different queue. So till the time it will be completed, it's like the issue is fixed. It will keep on go to next groups. Okay, then once it is completed, they will change the status to resolved. Okay, so resolved and closed, they are both referring closure, right? So what is resolved, what is closed, what is the meaning of this resolved and closed? So resolved is, okay, I got the ticket, I am from ABC group, okay, I closed it, I did that work, it is fixed, customer confirm like, okay, maybe it is fixed. So in the ticket I will say resolved, okay, and then I will save it. Okay, and then I mention all these things. Okay, I will close it, I will resolve it, right? After resolved, it will go back a mail to the customer saying your ticket is resolved. Okay, you have 3 days of time, confirm back saying it is completed or not. If not, they have an ability to re-raise the incident. They can suggest back saying it is not resolved. Please look into the issue. Okay. So after resolved, customer needs to close it. The closure one will be done by customer. Customer means caller or automatic. I resolved your incident, but you never taken an action to close it. So till the time SEMA resolved means active true only. Okay, when it is closed, then only active become false. The active flag, right? So till the time it will close, it will be active ticket only in the system. And let's say the customer didn't responded back to close it. So will it be in the active state? No. After 3 days, we will keep some time. Okay, just to check, wait for his response to close it. If not, auto close it. So once it is closed, not even admins, not even customer, no one can re-raise it. If you have an issue, again you have to raise a new issue. So this is the incident management life cycle. Okay, here as a matured processes, they will also follow KB. Okay, so let's say this is a strange issue. Once this is done, they will create a knowledge article. Okay, so they will create a knowledge article, keep this knowledge article. If this is an issue, okay, this is an issue, then write that article. Okay, try by your own, or this is how it needs to fix it. So the more knowledges you create, the more matured process you are running. Because going forward, if let's say I have an issue, I can directly reflect, see the knowledge articles. No need to go and raise an incident. Correct? Still, people will raise it, but okay, let's say service desk people can refer the knowledge articles to resolve the issues quickly. So the more you raise it, it is helping to resolve or run the process in a shorter time. Okay, so this is the meaning of life cycle. Is that correct? And didn't we
Yes,
complete?
sir.
Didn't we cover it by any chance in our entire 2 months of course, 50 classes?
Yes, sir, we covered.
Then what is missing, man? So the only thing is you didn't open this site, you didn't see this way, right?
Sir, I have seen so many options for life cycle.
So what is okay? What is not clear? Like they didn't explain this way, no?
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Now it is
It is
clear, but
clear, sir. I
you seen
think.
it, but
Yes,
what was missed earlier? You've seen many other videos, ma, but what was missed in those videos? Now what is missed? What
I don't see any video, sir.
you don't see any videos. So in service now in Telugu only we have 10 videos, ma. That's why I didn't keep the video separately for incident management lifecycle. Basic I have it. Okay, and other people in Telugu only they uploaded minimum 5 I can show. Incident management lifecycle is there, problem management lifecycle is there. Okay, it's fine. Just check it. Now, till this point, everyone clear?
Yes.
Okay, whoever asked for this question, ma, I think some mail. Is that helpful, ma? Now you are clear now. I think someone a male person asked this question, sir. Instant life cycle. Is that clear now? Can I say that? Please confirm it now. We can move next. Now, if we know this incident management life cycle, okay, when an incident is created, how the time by when it needs to complete it, okay, that is an SLA, right? So SLAs will be there in the system, okay, and SLAs will be having an automatic triggering points. So see here, I will show one incident. Where is our incident, ma? This is our incident, right? So just save it. I created one incident, okay, and priority is this one, and system automatically assigned no SLAs. Huh? Very good. Why SLA not applied? Maybe it will apply. It should apply. Okay, right. Why? Ah, here I am seeing. See here, na. So I'm seeing here, but here. So what is SLA? The time that you have to handle the ticket is an SLA. Okay. So again, what time? Okay. So see here, I will show an SLA page and I explain also, ma'am. But I'm just giving a brief introduction. Okay. So one ticket is created, right? And it is assigned to this group. Okay. And now is this okay? Let's say like this. One ticket is created with no group. Okay. So if this is the case, then where how the time will calculate? It will not calculate, right? Even though it is calculated, okay, we can't say like this is your time, you spend this time, correct? You are into three groups, ma. You are all into three groups. Okay, I created one incident. You three needs to take it, either one, not all. So I will come tomorrow. Say I created one incident and no one touched it. Why? I can say like this much of time completed, so no one touched it. Why, sir? What you are doing? I will say like this. Then you will say back like it is not my ticket. Why should I see? Correct? So is that correct statement, ma?
Yes.
Okay. So now if this is correct statement, then what is there is every ticket needs to assign to a group. First thing, maybe assignment group is mandatory. Okay, let's say like this. So ticket assigned to group, right? So ticket assigned to group is also meaning that it is started. The team is started working on it. As per me, customer, the ticket is assigned to service desk. So I will be feeling like okay, they will take care of it. But the ticket is not assigned to anyone. Assigned to is blank for one day. That means one day no nothing has been done for this incident. But as a customer, I feel like it's assigned to service desk people. They are working on it. Correct? Just see the meaning of this two. Assigned means okay. Assigned to field. Okay. So this is group. Assignment group is attached. Okay, let's make assignment. Okay. Service desk. Assigned to is blank. So now tell me, as a customer, what how I can feel? My ticket is assigned to service desk group. They are taking care of it. But actually have what is happening, it is not assigned to any person, so no one are touching it. In service desk maybe 50 people are there. If we ask 50 people, okay, they will say it's not my ticket, I don't know, I was working on separate ticket, other ticket, priority ticket. Okay, so here if you see from this way, time is important, time is running for this incident, correct? From customer point of view, time is started when the ticket is assigned to service desk group, time has started already, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So SLA is started, but SLA is not started. Correct? So how SLA will be calculated? Okay. So there are two SLAs. Response SLA, response, resolution SLA. Okay. What is response SLA? What is resolution SLA? Okay. As per this definition, these definitions will change for every organization, not standard. Okay, I can configure my SLA however I want it. Okay. So as per normal this scenario case, okay, response SLA means a ticket is created, assigned to a group. How much time you have to assign to an individual person? Okay, I created one ticket to your group. Then time calculation started. Within 2 hours, within 1 hour, within 4 hours, within half an hour, the ticket needs to assign to someone. If not, SLA breach. Okay, is this correct statement or needed statement?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If this is not there, then this is the case will happen for every ticket. No one are ready to accept the work. No? I will say I am working on different thing. I don't have bandwidth to take it. So now if we have this response SLA agreed to the customer and our service provider, we have to do it. If not, SLA breach. For SLA breach, they will penalty. Okay. So response SLA. Then what is resolution SLA? Once the ticket is assigned to something, then time will calculate. Okay. Then response resolution SLA will start. How much time you took to finish this issue or to finish the work fulfillment task. That is resolution SLA. Okay. So see, is that clear, ma? Second thing,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes.
Okay. So now the SLAs, both SLAs are created on incident table. Okay, and you are instructing system to start when. Okay, say when for this one condition is ticket is created and assignment group is there, but assigned to is not there. So created, then start with this condition. This one is resolution SLA ticket is created and assigned to someone or something. So the conditions also will change based on your agreement. Okay, in your organization maybe this definition, maybe in other organization maybe some other definition. Okay, so if you see either way, okay, right. Okay, SLAs, we have these SLA definitions. We can define your SLAs. Okay, and here you have two types, response and resolution, right? So response SLAs we have these many, resolution SLAs we have these many. Okay, and why these many is just to take only type equal to SLA. Okay, OLA forget it. So SLA on incident table, just to see like this. Okay, so on incident table for priority 1, this is the SLA. Okay, for priority 2 ticket, this is an SLA. For priority 3 ticket, this is an SLA. For priority 4, this is an SLA. Correct? And for resolution, this is resolution. This is again response. Okay, for priority 1, you have 1 hour to accept it. For priority 2, 4 hours, 15 minutes. Okay, 8 hours. So we will see one example, priority 1 here and priority 1 here. One is response, one is resolution. Okay, till this point, everyone clear, ma? You're understanding me?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
yes,
Okay. So now see here response SLA. First we'll see okay response. The ticket is assigned. So response SLA will start on an incident table when the ticket is active. Priority equal to 1 because see we have 4 or 5. Okay. How this particular time. So see you can't say like okay one incident is there low priority, one incident is there high priority. We can't expect both will be having the same values with respect to response and resolution because the urgency also matters here. Very important. So one for this, one for that. So how system knows that this is for priority, right? So priority is critical and assignment group is not empty. Okay. Then mention the time, how much time you have it. How much time? Where is the time? 15 minutes. So you are instructing system whenever an incident is created, okay, go and check the SLA table and if the condition is satisfied and then apply this particular response. Now you will get a question. For HR incidents, you have less time. For other incidents, you have more time. Okay. For software request, you have this much time. For hardware request, you have that much. Everything you can define here in the conditions. Correct?
yes,
Okay.
Okay. So see here, set started to created. Very good. So now it is more clearer. Okay. So the same thing resolution also. So resolution condition, if you understand, then you will understand. Okay. Resolution SLA, when the ticket is created, then resolution started. Perfect meaning because I created a ticket. I expect in 3 days it should be completed. I don't know whether it is moved to STA, whether it is moved to a group, whether it is assigned to a ticket, assigned to that and all. I don't care, na? Correct? I see in the platform level, not like a group level, individual level. Is that correct statement? Yes, no.
Yes.
yes, yes,
Huh. Now, see, response SLA. I think we should not discuss much because you understood it. But resolution SLA, okay, you got a ticket. See this way. Okay, resolution SLA, you got one ticket. Okay, you are from service desk team. Okay, you assigned one ticket. You got assigned with one ticket. So you connected, the ticket is not clear. Okay, whoever is designed, whoever given that, no, they didn't identify the maybe as part of identification they did basic thing but not deeper thing. Okay, so you just checked it and the application is an application installation issue. Okay, so the installation is failing it. You see it from deployment tool, you can't get it, and you need the logs of the system. Okay, for every installation, system will create logs, installation logs. Okay, you need them, and you try to connect the user, and user is inactive. User is out of office, and system is out of domain. Okay, see this wordings, ma'am. Okay, user is out of office, so you can't ping him. If you ping also, you don't respond. System is out of domain. Okay, so when it is in network, you can pull the logs from remotely also. You don't need to log into the system. Okay, you don't need to ask the user. You can drag it. Okay, but system is out of domain where it is not reachable. Right? That time, in order to work on this particular incident, you need the logs. Without logs, you can't do anything. So what you do? You keep the incident state to, okay, in progress, to on hold or pending, right? So when you say on hold or pending, okay, are you working on this incident? No. So the time will should stop it, right? Is that correct? The time what you have 3 hours, 3 days, 8 days to close that to response that. Okay, you are getting this point, ma? So I have 3 days to complete it, and I
Yes, sir.
I I just try to ping the user and he's not available. I try to get the logs, he's not available. Okay, so what I need to do? So I will keep it like this, and the time which is started will pause here. So stage now in progress will pause. I don't know why it is not responding. I need to check the conditions properly. Okay, as it is on hold, it should be paused. It should not say running. Where you can see running here, no? Maybe this one running. I think also somewhere it will show. Okay, so here second thing is pause condition. When it will be paused. So see here, incident state equal to on hold, waiting for caller. Okay, that time you say ticket is paused. That means SLA is paused. You are getting it, ma? Whatever time you have it,
Yes, sir.
when you have the pause condition met, then ticket time, that response time or resolution time, whatever it is, it will pass. You can say, okay, this saves you. If not, na, then if it is not defined properly, so even though you are working, even though you are waiting for a customer, okay, this will not work. This will not go ahead. Sorry, this will go ahead, whatever it is. So response SLA, pause condition, okay, stop condition. When the SLA will close, when the state equal to closed. See here, when the state equal to not resolved, even if it is resolved, okay, it will run. So it is closed as per this definition. Okay, when it is reset, maybe this one. So this is the page of SLA. You define the SLAs as per your company standards. The times will change, the conditions will change. Okay, you can create n number of SLAs. Let's say you have for software category you have one SLA. For the hardware category you have one SLA. For network category you have an SLA. So the SLA start time conditions you'll keep it. Is that clear? This is what you are expecting, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have
Yes,
still
sir.
you have SLA types, SLA, OLA, underpinning. Okay. Types of SLAs. The same video I uploaded, ma. Okay. Again, I am speaking the same thing. That's why I said please try to go to the video, ma. Okay. SLA, OLA, underpinning. Okay. So if you see from SLA table level, all are SLAs. You went to SLA table and then you see everything as an SLA. And here you have types, three types. SLA, OLA, underpinning contract. What is the difference between these two? Why is the difference? Right? So SLA, if if it have, see here, two, let's bring it like this. Okay, this is little difficult, not difficult. The definitions what I'm going to tell is 100% correct. But how in real time will be used in the organization will change completely. Everyone will use SLA. Everyone can use three of them, something something. So ideally, the definition is okay. Let's say I have SKFacts. SKFacts is the company, okay, where they have some work, okay, training audience. SKFacts is a global training management application or a company where they will provide facilitators to train. Okay, and here, okay, uh, I think it is a service provider. No, this is service provider, and here, okay, let's bring it like this. Bring it back. Okay, we got a client, some ABC client. Okay, from ABC client to SKFacts, this is the contract. So we are helping ABC people to, okay, and we are training it. Okay, and here let's say SLA is calculated like for S if it is, okay, SN service now maybe 30 classes. Okay, if it is testing, okay, 25 classes. If it is core Java, maybe 30 classes. So these are our SLAs. Is that correct, ma? This point is clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, what I have it is, okay, I only can manage to train SN, but I don't know how to manage this. Okay, I don't have facilitators to teach other two. What I will do is I will tie up with one other company that is called ABC Packs. Okay, SRM Packs. So SRM Packs will train testing and core Java. Okay, so same work, but I am having a contract in a second level. So SKFacts to SRM Packs. So for SRM Packs, who is the client? Ma?
SKFacts.
SKFacts. So here in this level, if SLA is there, we call it as SLA. Here in this level, if you have the same SLA, we call it as OLA. Okay, and here maybe the 25 classes, 30 classes. Now, what SKFacts will do is he cleverly maybe think and he will say 23 classes or 23 classes or 27 classes because he will try to minimize the time to save himself. Okay, so let's say you need to complete it. Let's say you have okay 5 hours here. Okay, think like this, ma. 5 hours. Okay, he will say here like you need to complete it in 4.5 hours only. Why?
To complete on
So
time.
On time. So in case something breaches, if we can't able to manage it, still we have 30 minutes to look into. If not, we will be affected. Correct? So this is second level. Second level will be OLA. Okay. And in that SRM packs, they have multiple, okay, they have multiple departments. Okay, this is internal of SRM. Okay. So they have maybe 10 entities, 10 departments. Okay. In that 10 departments also they have their own internal SLS. They will be called as underpinning. Or third level, you can say third level. Okay, so here maybe they will follow 4 hours of window. Maybe because these people are responsible to these people, na? So they will try to minimize it. So for them, they will commit to 4.5 hours, but internally they will try to complete in 4 hours. So this is how you can see SLA types. And on and overall, if you see, if all are using the same platform to capture it. So on overall, if you ask what is SLA, they don't say, okay, we have 4.5 hours OLA. They will say 4.5 hours SLA. And if you ask here how much your time, they will say we have 4 hours SLA. They don't say 4 hours of underpinning. Okay, SLA is SLA. SLA is time, but between whom is define the type of SLA. And it doesn't matter. Time is time. Even if you create SLA, OLA, underpinning, if the condition is met on the table level, the time starts. That's it. Tuck, 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 tuck will start. Is that clear, ma?
so clear.
Right, everyone clear? Okay. So now,
So,
what is the other thing is in SLA, very important thing is one question is the retroactive start. Okay. This particular question is very important. Okay. What is the meaning of it is like you can take this one as a two ways. One way is, okay. So see here. Okay, this is very confusing. The way it will take is, see, one nest service desk created, okay, one ticket incident is created, something like this. Okay, and it is assigned to service desk, and it is completed 2 days, and totally we have 3 days of time. Okay, we are talking about response SLA. Okay, on second day they said like it is not my issue. Okay, and they assign this ticket to maybe, okay, application development team. Okay, so now how much SLA they have to fix the issue? How much time they have to fix the issue, ma?
2 days.
Total SLA of this particular incident is 3 days, resolution SLA. So already ST people already completed 2 days. They spent 2 days of time, then they said it's not my issue.
One day.
Okay,
One day.
1 day
Yes,
left.
sir.
One day is RAM left.
Is that okay? So this is how system considers. But when we will say, we will ask them, okay, after 1 day, will they agree that I got the ticket today and this is a P1 ticket or P2 ticket or P3 ticket? It should be 3 days. Why I got only 1 day?
Then these people will ask to extend SLA
No
from
SLA, no SLAs will be calculated by system. No extenders, no increases, no decreases. Okay, I'm just telling the expectation. So P3 ticket, 3 days of time we have it, and it is assigned to them today. That means they should have 3 days. Is that correct statement?
Yes.
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 But what about the completed
Yes.
2 days? A time is a time, na? Time started. Already 2 days completed, and if we give 3 days here, then it will become 5 days. So, so see here, the start of from 3 days or from starting will depends on this particular selection. Okay, if you select this one now, again, if you change this one, it will start the time from here. Or if you don't select it, it will start from this one. You are getting it from their point of view, it is correct. From here point of view, it is not correct. So how you balance it? Okay, so let's say application development took 1 day. Okay, maybe 8 hours or 23 hours they took it, and they assigned this ticket to one other team. Okay, maybe server team, DBA team. Then how much time they have? 1 hour they have it. Is that ethical? Will they agree?
No, sir.
So how you balance that start, retroactive start, is depends on this particular one. Will it start from complete first minute, or it will only start from the time when they already finished it? Okay, it also applies the prioritizations. Okay, see this other way. So that's why this concept is a little confused. So when you create an incident, it was P3 or P1. Okay, client said my issue is very high issue. Okay, what is the issue is something nothing. Okay, so he said P1 issue, and as per P1, it have 8 hours of time. SLA response resolution SLA. Okay, and then service desk people are categorizing it, identifying the issue, and they felt like as per that particular issue and their guidelines. Okay, guidelines of prioritization. Okay, it can be P3. Okay, so now as it is created with P1, 8 hours will run, or as it is converted into P3, okay, 3 days will work. It also depends on the retroactive. Okay, so see from this way or this way, okay, the time is changing and starting from scratch will be depends on the retroactive. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, so that's all about SLA OLM. There is a video. Okay, I think you can see this is enough. The same thing I explained it. Okay, and SLA one more question will come. So let's say in Israel Sunday is the holiday. Okay, Sunday is the working day. Friday is the holiday. Okay, many Arabic countries also, and here in India, okay, and other US and all, Sunday is holiday. Friday is working day. So you created one incident on Thursday night. Okay, so how the time will be calculated? Will it calculate on holidays? No, first. Okay. Then second thing is how the holidays will be taken. based on the schedule
Calendar.
calendar. So here you can define the calendars also. Okay, here like this. Okay, and like this. See here, calendar will be now. You can define the calendar and why it is showing like this. See here, time zone, schedules, calendars, and all you can define it. You already have predefined calendars. You can also define your own calendars. 24 by 7, 24 by 5. Okay, weekly holidays, Israel calendar. These are the basic questions will come up. Calendars will store in calendar table, CMN underscore schedule table. You define it and then define accordingly. Make sense? Okay. So that's what the incident management life cycle and SLS. Very good. Okay.